pretty fucking zen sound, that just stand out of here. That a dog with a few mushrooms, you really spend the night next to a beer listening to that. It's fucking really zen, you know.
Got a bad feel promising.
That's better than these fucking things in the wind, you know, like in your doorway. That's fucking a lot better, that is, like, yeah. I get into that.
Oh, that's fucking trippy as fuck. Fucking god, faz bed in a moment. Graze, step back, get up. Oh man, hey! Fucking hell, I'm going. Cosa? Man.